To create an embedded form, click Forms. Choose Embedded Forms and click Create Embedded Form. Give it a name and click Save and Continue. Now click Create Embed Form again. Choose your subscriber group. Save and continue. Now you can copy or change the name of the form here. And here you have access to all the editors. Starting with the subscriber form, all the details can be added here. You can change the text that shows up after you click the subscribe button here. You can also forward the subscriber to your own thank you page. Just replace the text for the thank you pop-up with the URL to your page. The design of your form can be edited here. If you need to add additional fields, use this tab. If needed, you can switch around the fields in the form like so. Click here to change the group your subscriber will sign up to. And if you want your subscribers to choose a group themselves, add it and then uncheck Required. The form also changes when you do this. You might have noticed this double opt-in switch. You can use it to turn on or off the double opt-in feature. We suggest to keep this on. It will make your subscribers have to click a link in the confirmation email before getting added to your list. It helps make sure a real person is actually subscribing. But if you don't need it, turn it off. Notice how the confirmation editor and confirmation thank you page editor turns off when you change this. That's because single opt-in doesn't require a confirmation email nor a thank you page. But let's keep this on and let's move on. In the confirmation email tab, you can change the subject and sender of your email, and of course edit the email itself here. Click this tab and the edit button to design your thank you page, or if you want to use your own thank you page, just go ahead and paste the URL here. If you change your mind in the future, click Use MailerLite landing page. This will automatically delete your URL and make your subscribers see the page you created here. After you're done, go back to the first tab and click Save again. This will allow you to embed the form onto your website. You can use JavaScript, and for the HTML, just click here. Remember, the embedded form is the one you need to use when integrating with apps like Facebook. And this is the URL to the form you just created, just in case you need to send someone a link or just to review the form yourself. And you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.